In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an Amazon Pay ICICI bank credit card. This process is straightforward and can be completed right from the comfort of your home using either the Amazon website or app. Let's walk through each part of the process together to ensure a smooth application. First, you'll want to begin by accessing the Amazon Pay section. Start by opening either the Amazon app on your mobile device or navigating to the Amazon website on your computer. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Amazon Pay. This section is your gateway to all things related to payments on Amazon and where you'll find the credit card offer. Now, let's move on to finding the actual credit card offer. Within the Amazon Pay section, you should see a banner or a link directing you towards credit card options. Look specifically for the Amazon Pay ICICI bank credit card offer. It might be listed under a subsection like Credit Cards or directly under Amazon Pay. This is where you'll start the process of application. Once you've found it, the next step involves checking your eligibility. Click on the Apply Now button or a similar prompt. Doing this will redirect you to the ICICI Bank website or an application page. Here, ICICI Bank will guide you through an eligibility check. This step is crucial as it determines whether you can apply for the card at this time. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully to ensure this part goes smoothly. After eligibility has been confirmed, you'll proceed to complete the application. You'll need to fill out an application form with personal and financial details. Be sure that all information is accurate and up-to-date, as discrepancies could lead to delays or issues in the application process. Submitting a detailed and accurate application will increase your chances of a smooth approval. An important step in this process is KYC verification, or Know Your Customer. This is a standard verification process where you may need to interact with an ICICI Bank representative. Often, this is done via video verification, where they check your identity and documents. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation and follow the representative's instructions during this step. Lastly, once your application is approved, you'll receive your new credit card. Initially, this will be a digital version available for use immediately. Keep an eye on your email or messages for details about accessing this digital card. Soon after, a physical card will be sent to your address via courier. It's always exciting to finally hold the card in your hands, so make sure your address details are correct to avoid any delivery issues. By following these steps, you'll have your Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card in no time. Remember, patience and attention to detail throughout this process will help ensure a successful application. Happy shopping with your new card!